Welcome back to Shred with Ed. I'm Ed. Today we're out at Mountain Creek Bike Park for week 4 of the Thursday Night Race League. Tonight's course is on a blue tech trail called Twist, which is pretty good because if you've been following along, I've been riding a lot of flow and jump trails, so I definitely need to work on the technical stuff. So we're going to actually head right up because it's pretty late, get a couple practice runs there, do some free riding, and then get right into racing. So let's finish our energy drink, tune some of the bike up just because I haven't touched it since last week, and yeah, hopefully we have a good time. Wow, talk about a view, huh? I feel like the turnouts for the races just keep getting bigger and bigger. So we got a couple practice runs in. We're gonna have some fun. I'm gonna hit a couple flow trails and then just get back to practicing. I actually want to do pretty good today, so I got a little bit of pressure on myself. You know, last week we finally finished about mid-pack, so I'd like to see myself start to do a little bit better. It's a pretty basic tech trail, you know, it's kind of one line, so it's really just gonna come down to trail speed and momentum and keeping that up. I don't know why I feel so much pressure today. It's weird. So I'm just gonna try to have a little bit of fun before I have to race. And outlet. I think my rear brake is gone. Sent that a little deep. Alright guys, so we're heading up to the top right now for our first race run of the night. I got about 3 practice runs in, so I'm feeling pretty good. Getting here later kind of just forced me to focus on the trail more, which makes sense. You know, I'll be able to pedal a little bit faster And like I promised, I'm running my clipless pedals again just to get back into the groove of enduro races. There is an ESC this weekend that I'm missing, so it's a little unfortunate, but hey, that's life. It's adulting, so we're just trying to stay ready for when we can make another race. So we'll see at the top, and hopefully this first run goes good.
Drop it!
Okay, so first run's done, and I checked the timing and scoring. I'm actually in 6th place out of 24 riders, which is way above where I expected to be. I was kind of hoping for like a top 10 or a little bit more than mid-pack. As I said, I finished mid-pack last week, so I really wanted to improve on that. And we did. I'm in 6th place right now, so we're gonna head back up for our next run and hopefully improve on it. Maybe I could stay in the top 10. That would be amazing. Whew. Lost the bars a little bit. All right, guys, racing's over. We're done. I actually surprised myself, and I was expecting to try to just be a little bit better than mid-pack, but I actually found my way into the top 10. I shaved a little less than a second off my time between my first and second run, and I was actually sitting in 6th place for a while, which was pretty fantastic, and then I ended up dropping down to 8th. Just a couple of faster guys that crashed in their first run, or maybe just took a practice lap and were able to sneak up on me. But hey, that's a huge improvement, so I'm super excited for that. Stay tuned for next week. It'll be round 5, so please like and subscribe, and we'll get you another video next week. Thanks, guys.